Welcome to SpiceCandies. So we have quite a bit on our plate, as you can see. Not very edible, but definitely good. So this is a press for a lollipop. Take a stick. These are standard barbecue sticks. Let's take a few of there. You just put the tube here, apply some powder, put a stick in there, like so, and just drop it. And what you get is a lollipop. Stick goes right through the main shaft. So let's give it a go. Let's try to see how it goes. We have a reinforced tubing, which is not exactly round anymore because I slid it. And then it's being clamped shut so it won't crack open. That being said, once I unscrew these, I can simply open it up and get the candy out easily. So that's option A. This is option B. Actually, I prefer this one. Right, so let me get a screwdriver. I'll be back in a sec. This is trial number 1, so let's see how it goes. We've got some powdered sugar, coffee, and cinnamon. Why? No special reason. Desired amount. Frankly, I have no idea. This is the first time I'm trying this model. So, there we go. I do need a funnel, but we'll make do. Once I see there's a good quantity there, and I don't mind if the candy will turn out flat, we'll stop piling it up. And that's about 3/4 full. I think you could see the powder there, maybe. I don't know. Looks good to me. Let's compact it just by hand. See how far I can get with my hand. Come on out. There we go. That's actually pretty nice. I'll stick a lollipop in there. Lollipop stick all the way down. So now our setup is complete and ready. And we need a hydraulic press or any other means of seriously applying some force. So there we go. Let's shift to the hydraulic press channel. Just kidding. So this is my hydraulic press. It's a 5-ton jack and setup I built. And as you can see from the horrible welds, I'm to be blamed. So let's get to it. Okay, let's disassemble it. That's nice. That is nice. Got a nice puck there. And I'll just unscrew these a hair, or more than a hair. Just want them loose, so the whole body can expand. And okay, they're coming out. We can get the candy off. Okay, let's try and expand it ourselves. Come on. Okay, let's push it, and there we go. Ha ha! That is pretty firm. Let's try and crumble it. Okay, it's very crumbly. Not total loss, but very, very crumbly. Pretty good, by the way. Still compact, and if I apply pressure, it still snaps. So due to the crumbly nature of this candy, now this was 50 grams of sugar, And now I've added 1/4 tablespoon of water and starch, corn flour to be more specific. So let's load this up, and now you can see it's a bit more holding its own weight. It's a bit wet, and that should allow crystallization of the sugar. Actually, it's easier to pour as well, so I'm pretty happy. Applied full force as much as I could, just using one bar, and see how it goes. Okay, the bottom should come out easily, so it does. Candy does look interesting. I'll show you in a second. I'll just have to get these off and press the candy out. Ouch, and it snapped. But it's, let's see. Let me get that one out. That's a clean hand, by the way. That's a lot firmer. A lot tougher one. So I'm pretty happy. Really cute one. Right, time for phase 2. So, we have this mold, which we can fill with the filler. So, this formulation is what we did last time. I'm going to take a small batch, say 10 grams, add 1/4 teaspoon of water, blend it well, and compress it. So let's get to it. Okay, so we have 20 grams, 1/4 teaspoon water, and we are ready to spread the love powder. Let's open these. That's nice. Let's release. Oh, these are nicely pressed. Sorry about the lack of visual aid, but this is really nice. And I'm gonna press it lightly if I could. Yeah, they're slowly popping out. There we go. Very stiff tablets. Okay, very nice tablets. I am happy. Put these guys over here and they don't crumble. Right, so let's go batch 2. This is really nice. So we got more tablets. We have been able to compress soda lollipop, or a compressed lollipop, and it's not going to be perfect. You can see this one has cracks. This one snapped when I touched it by accident. But oh no, these are cute. They are working quite nicely. And we just need to tweak the way and method. This one's intact, for example, so on. And so is this one. It's got a little bit of a crack, but they're going to be doing just fine as long as they dry off. And using a home press is not crucial. You could use your own vise if you have a vise. These cute little compressed candies are really, really fun. I really enjoy them, and once they dry off they're going to be a lot firmer, so this should work quite nicely. I'm going to make better batches with these. I'm thinking of maybe incorporating some jam into it as a binder and a flavoring agent, natural, organic. We'll have to wait and see. More to be done. So, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Have a sweet day.